At Aquafin, we collect and treat wastewater from almost 6 million people in Flanders. We manage a large set of assets on behalf of the Flemish Region. In an ever-changing world, we are facing many challenges, such as changing and aging infrastructure or climate change, with more intense rain and long periods of drought. But also plenty of opportunities are out there. For example, digital transformation and new emerging technologies like drone inspections, resource recovery, the Internet of Things, and real-time control. Our R&D focuses on knowledge building, with the purpose of developing new applications and services, gathering in-depth knowledge on social challenges, and providing solutions on 4 pillars: circular economy, climate adaptation, energy transition, water quality. Are you the perfect partner to help us achieve our ambitions and prepare for the future?